Welcome back to my channel. Before I start this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, and share it with your friends and family. Just click the subscribe button at the bottom of the video and you will be subscribed to receive my future videos. In all my videos, I give sufficient narration about the place, facts, information, travel advisories, hotels, and food. But as I said, this is a special video on a very beautiful place. I am not going to speak a lot. Rather, many sections are without any narration so that you can enjoy the enchanting music of plunging waterfalls, murmurs of the river, the chirping of birds, sounds of powerful rapids, and the serenity of the surroundings enough to heal your mind and soul. I have left those sections in their original forms, making just some occasional comments here and there to keep you informed. Today's video is very special, on one of those beautiful places with stunningly beautiful scenery, amazing waterfalls, rivers with rocky banks, and lush green mountains. This place is none other than the Kikuchi Gorge, located in between the mountains in a small town called Kikuchi in the northern Kumamoto prefecture in Japan. A gorge is a narrow valley between hills or mountains, typically with rapidly flowing rivers, steep rocky walls, running streams, and waterfalls. I lived and worked in Saga Prefecture on Kyushu Island in Japan for 1 year, where I traveled far and wide, visited more than 32 cities, and closely experienced Japanese culture and daily life. Wherever you go in Japan, every place is one step ahead of the previous city in terms of beauty, landscaping, views, and of course people. Japanese culture is unique and so are its traditions. Japan is divided into 43 prefectures, and prefecture originally refers to a self-governing body, or one can say few districts are combined to make one prefecture. You can reach Kikuchi Gorge through two routes, one, a 30-minute, and the other a 60-minute loop along the riverbank. Getting to the Kikuchi Gorge is difficult by public transport because there is none, so either rent a car, hire a taxi, or guide to take you there. By car, it takes an hour from Kumamoto City and is a 15 to 20-minute drive from Kikuchi town. Plenty of car parking with a little fee and a couple of 100 meters to walk. Entrance costs 100 yen for adults and is free for children up to 16 years old. Parking costs 200 yen. Kikuchi Valley looks good all year round, but it is finest in spring and autumn with beautiful autumn leaves to watch. If you are also visiting Aso Volcano, head first to Kikuchi Gorge, which is nearby. I fell short of words to describe the beauty of this place. It simply cannot be described with videos or photos. Here the river is swift, with many waterfalls, and a few bridges providing views close enough to dip your hands and feet in the rushing water. The clear water streams and pristine forests create landscapes with autumn leaves in the autumn, making nature and surroundings colorful with the chirping of birds and murmuring rivers are enough to heal your mind and soul. The gorge is 4 kilometers long with plenty of walking trails. Kikuchi Gorge is home to over 50 species of wild birds. You can begin your tour with an outdoor adventure beginning deep in Kikuchi Gorge, in the picturesque Kikuchigawa River. The freshwater meandering through the forest forms powerful rapids, deep pools, and plunging waterfalls. Now exiting the gorge and going out to the parking lot with beautiful memories of the place, the encapsulating rivers, waterfalls, riverbanks, and lush green mountains, proving that nature has provided us with captivating natural wonders everywhere on the earth. All we need to do is save and preserve nature for ourselves and for our coming generations. And with this, the tour of Kikuchi Gorge comes to an end. Before saying goodbye, I request you to please subscribe to my channel, like it, and share it with your family and friends. I will see you soon with another interesting video on some other beautiful, natural, and historical places on this earth. So, stay tuned by pressing the bell icon for future uploads, and stay safe and healthy wherever you are. Please take care and goodbye.